Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. ST Lupopo 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Guys, I've never seen a team efana njenge Sundowns. They concede a goal very easily. Easy as ABC. But in ABC or 1, 2, 3. Easy. And then on the other side, angazi bafuna how many chances for them to win a game or just to kill off a game. The last 3 games in CAF, they should have won those games easily. But this is very difficult for themselves. Out of 9 points, they've got 2 points. In the last 3 games, 9 points, but only 2. Now, last game, they have to win it. And Bachala Nobani with their former coach. Coach Cardoso has never lost against Coach Roland. But he needs to win. He doesn't need a draw. He needs to win. Going to the game, I'm going to show you the Sundowns why they couldn't play. Right? Their formation 4-2-3-1. Second half they changed. I'll show you why they changed. I'll even show you what happened. Why did they concede a goal? Or tingatin. Iqale kuphi inkinga for them to concede the goal? Okay, the first thing ngizoqala ngayo, why Sundowns couldn't do anything in the first half. Yes, they had a chance in the first minute to score a corner kick, but they didn't take them. Second half, ngibonisa most of their chances. Ukuthi why bangakori, I don't know. Now, the second minute, there were holes in the midfield, but the problem, Santos had a bad game. He had a bad game, especially first half, right? Let me take it back. Kancane. Siyaphuma with a long pass, right? Siyaphuma with a long pass. Watch Usales. Usales is saying, relax, you are all alone. Imagine he taps the ball. Look at this space. Uno Shaulile la, Uno Sales la. But wenzani, he ends up losing the ball. Nakia, here's another one. Bias pressure, it's okay. We are used to it. Siyaphuma. 10, we won. Poor decision making. I don't think Guti he adapted to the pitch. Then Guti when we play our qualifier for EFCON or for a World Cup, we don't use these pitches. But for a Champions League, we use these pitches. It's totally wrong. Quality football is needed in all tournaments. Nakia, another one. Siyaphuma, he's all alone. Right, okay. I don't know if most of you noticed Guti Umukwena was man-marked. That's one of the reasons that Sundowns couldn't play in the first half, right? Remember Badala 4-2-3-1. So in first half, Umukwena and Adams, they were playing side by side. It's Pumile, but I want you to keep an eye on this guy, number 24, right? Keep an eye on number 24. Wherever la Umukwena ya corner, he goes with him. But still, I'm still showing you Santos. Ama touches work. They were not good in this game. We are playing Santos here, but look at Umukwena here, being man-marked. Shiwobo. Santos, touch, not good. Santos again, siya loser. Siyaluza. Didn't have a good game. One last clip, Ega Santos not having a good start or a bad game. Loses the ball, makes a foul, gets a yellow card. ST Lupopo. Now I'm going to show you, I think, when the problems started for Sundowns. Here. This is Champions League. This is Champions League. Nah? Or at any level, if it's a free kick here, you can't be having this line here. I don't know why Batan Gwenza Ganj. Drop off. And then someone needs to be on the ball so that you stop them from taking a quick free kick. Yes, this was offside. Look at two Williams. Lentengi Shaw. Stop the ball. You stop them from taking a quick free kick. If you don't stop them from taking a quick free kick, Sizoben King. Nacha. Highline. I don't have a offside. I don't have a problem with playing someone offside. If he's offside, do offside. Angeke sifuna ukumenza onside because this is our ubami line. If he's offside, he's offside. There's nothing we can do. Now here comes the goal. The problem with what I'm going to show you, we don't have a clip ukuthi I goal lisuka kuphi, right? We just see the final pass or the hockey assist, because we know ukuthi ama TV rights aphethe abantu base Congo, right? So the broadcasting was bad. Sibona seyifika la. Silbona seyifika la. But remember isuka kuphi? From that high line. That's when they started to play that high line. The thing is, fast forward, maybe there is a clip nyana emuva abazosibonisa yona. Nah. But it's still not a good angle. The space in between, I always talk about, you cannot have a space as cool between your defenders. Even the midfielder, you can't. Rather, ubela, then they play the ball in front of you, because the moment they play it in this space, now you are what? You are facing your goals. Right? You are facing your goals, and we are on this line. We are too close to the center line. I spoke about Umukwena being man marked, right? I don't think Sundowns anticipated ukuthi Limpopo will do that. Now, I think Mboni saying, just a minute. This is Umukwena. He was man marked by this guy. Foul, takes a foul, okay, sharp. What does he do? He goes back to him. Chappies! Like it's about Chappies. Man marked. During the COVID, bohlala ufake mask. This is what this guy was doing to Umukwena. Umukentsemu. Mask. Wherever la bekaya khona. Number 24. Second half, guys. First half, there wasn't a lot of things to show you, right? But second half, I'm going to show you the tactical change Sundowns formation abayenzile, and all, not all, but most of the missed chances that Sundowns got. Mina guys, you can blame the coach or not, it's okay, but you can't have so many chances and still not win the game. Now let's go to Sundowns formation. Remember, in the first half, Umukwena was playing alongside. They were playing a double pivot, and he was man marked, right? But in the second half, they told Adams to push more forward. I'm still confused, Guti. Which formation they played? Was it a 4-3-3 or a 4-1-3-2? Namanje, because here is Adams. If you watch the game, or if you didn't watch the game, go and watch it again. Adams in the second half, that's why he had a good game, brilliant game. The Sega pushile towards here. He was no longer playing as a double pivot. What Sundowns did as well, Oktatu Murena push him out wide, right? And then they were also aggressive because the left back Umutiba, he was pushing Gakulu. Because Sundowns, especially on the left hand side, they don't have someone that sticks here. So Santos was playing as an 8. What confuses me is Santos, because he would be here, then he would go there, right? So that's why I need information here about second half. In Shaile Dingdong, you see where Mutau is. They were aggressive in the second half. Nakia, here's another one. If Santos comes in here, you just know Guti Umutiba has moved forward. Umukwena is all alone. Remember this guy, Chepis, mask, a COVID. Sales Uyeza is dropping back. They played behind him. They keep the ball. Brilliant move here. Undamane needs to work on his passing. We lose the ball for no reason. Sundowns scored via a corner kick. If I was the coach of Ilupopo, I was going to be very upset in how we conceded the goal and the corner kick, right? Because they had a chance to kick the ball away, right? You throw in Yabo on the left-hand side. Now, here, you cannot, why want to catch Pola Pambi? You are being pressed. You are being pressed. Ufunu Puma, Ufunu Jali 1-2. End up losing the ball. Now it's a what? It's a break attack. Corner kick. This could have been avoided. We could have avoided this corner kick. We could have avoided this goal. Now watch what happens. Cross. Goal. You can't defend a corner kick like this. You can't, Bafit. You can't. You can't. Let me stop it here. A corner kick. Men, if we are doing men marking, it doesn't mean now, Gutmanje, you must look at the man and not look at the ball. No, you have to look at the ball and you look at the man at the same time. Not this thing of now you can't see the ball. No. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. You can't defend like that. Mara. King you. If we are really being honest, Yamaplayer lawa I am Puzu Kados. Watch. nakha uyaphi mara bafethu, hayi bafethu noma sekushiwo. Look at this. Yes, we understand ukhahlela ngo left ne, but there is no one in front of you. Shaya ibhola uyo bafethu, usafuna ukujika there is no one in front of you. Ibhola liyeza la. Yes, we know ukuthi ukhahlela ngo left, but you set yourself ukuthi ukhahlela ibhola ngo right. Why are you turning? Why are you turning? There was no need for ukuthi usale ajike la. There is no defender in front of him. He's calling for the ball. They give him the ball. Why ungakhahleli ngo right? Lirithaisa kabathu. Nakha, here's another one. Poor decision making up front. Yadliwa lokhu kini? We are done. We are out. There is something missing in Sundowns up front. The decision making. This was a good idea, but it was a wrong option. Let me show you. This was a wrong option. Wrong option. Look at where Santos is. Santos Ugutugu. There is no way. No, there is no way. Bafethu ukuthi uzothaga mbonang Santos la. He's all alone. He's all. This is a difficult option. This is an easiest option. Uyamnikeza, it's either uyashaya or he's gonna bring it here, but no, there it's wide. Look at Santos. Ukwatile. Nangu umuntu la ufuna ukudlala le ibhola. That's a difficult pass. It's a difficult option. The easiest nangu umuntu la phambi kwakho. Nakha, here's another one. No. With this one, I don't know ukuthi Umurena should have passed or trapped the ball. But the finishing was poor. And he was not set. Bekangasetanga kahle. Ubona, after kicking the ball, watch what he does. He almost falls. Abayibonisi kule engel. Nakha, here's another one. This was a bad pass. This was not a good pass. Imagine had he passed the ball in front, alphasele phambi kwakhe. Uyaltrapper. There's two options here. But because ulphasele move. Okay, sharp, we still have the ball. Not a good pass, but watch Mutau here. Ow, mara bafethu. Nakha, here's another one. Aw mara ke kana le rethaisa ka batho mara bafethu. Like nifuna ukora amagoal anjani? What type of chances do you want? Aw mara le rethaisa ka batho mara bafethu. Aw mara. Great run by Mukwena and a great save by the keeper. Aw mara bafethu. Oh mara Jehovah. Nakha, one final clip bafethu. Aw mara yazi. Barithesa ka batho. One on one. Aw mara bafethu. Alerithesa ka batho mara Leon mara libo Salesi mara bafethu. Maybe here Santos could have passed here. Maybe he could have passed him the ball. Maybe. I'm just saying maybe. But Leon, uyakhangeza, but he was the one who had the opportunity to score. He had the chance to score, to round the keeper and then shoot. No, yes, I understand, guys. Coaches will be judged on results, but I don't judge coach on results. That's me, right? If you watch this game, they were supposed to win, but it's okay. It's okay. Please like Bafetu. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the messages, my comments. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Nyabonga.